Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to assemble Master Chef portable propane grill. So let's get started. These are the various parts of the package. It's always a good idea to go through all the parts before you start any assembly process. We start with the body assembly. Take the lower hinge and align both the holes. Secure the connection with the help of provided bolt, flat washer, spring washer and nut. After the connection is hand tight, tighten it further with the help of wrench and screwdriver. Now we have both the hinges fastened securely. Next step is to attach heat shield and burner to the body assembly. Align the pre-drilled hole under the burner with the hole on the bottom of body. Insert one flat washer, one spring washer and one bolt into the pre-drilled hole. Tighten the bolt using the screwdriver provided. In the next step, screw the regulator valve into the threaded tube of the burner. Align the holes on the body assembly with the holes on the heat plate support. Insert the bolts on handle into each pre-drilled hole and secure using one flat washer, one spring washer and one nut in sequence. This portable propane comes with the handle with the ignition spark plug on it. Insert the ignition cable into the electrode underneath the body assembly. With the body assembly now almost assembled, put the body assembly on top of the provided legs. Insert one bolt into each pre-drilled hole and seal it with one flat washer, one spring washer and one nut. Place the heat plate on top of the heat plate support. Place the cooking grid on top of the heat plate. Insert the grease cup into the two guides underneath the barbecue and push forward until it is in place. Now it's time to assemble the lid cover. Secure handle into the pre-drilled holes. Align the holes on the back side of the lid with the holes on the upper hinge. And secure connection with the help of bolt, spring washer, flat washer and nut. Align the holes of the upper hinge on the back of the lid with the holes of the lower hinge on the back of the body. Insert one pin into each hole and insert one cotter pin into the hole on the front of the pin. We now have both of the lower hinges secured on the back of the body. Attach temperature gauge to the lid. And with this final step completed, we have a fully assembled MasterChef portable propane grill. Now purchase a gas cylinder separately and insert it clockwise into the thread underneath the regulator valve until it is in place. Your gas barbecue is now fully functional and ready to cook yummy tandoori chicken and kebabs. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more future DIY videos. Until then, bye bye.